My name is Sandy Jackson. I was 23 years old on April 29, 2011. I was shot by an unknown assailant just minutes after I left a church crusade in Halsey Hall, Clarendon. I was at the crusade when I received a phone call at around 10 o'clock. I left the venue, and minutes after my life was ended. I wasn't even far from my home when I was found. My 3 points were confirmed to be taken when I was at the hospital. A week before I was brutally killed, I made some cryptic posts on Facebook. On April 25th, 2011, a few days before my murder, I made a post that I don't like how people dictate other people's lives while not seeing the big old gap in theirs. The post said that some people should get them life sorted out and leave people business alone. I was going through a dark time in my life. I posted that I was bored and tormented. I wanted a job. I had spent that Easter alone as the love of my life, Dwight Gale, aka White Knight, was sentenced to life in prison and won't be seeing road for 25 years the least. Despite this, we still tried to make the relationship work. I was his ride or die. I was trying to make the best of my life, and rumors started to spread that I had been seeing another man and cheating on my man in jail. I started to grow closer to my friends and daughter. I posted that it's good to be alive and well with friends that I can trust a week before my demise. A few weeks before that, I posted a question asking why men always try to control women's life. Is that fair? With all that was happening, I still felt free, but my life was robbed. Who robbed me?